This must be the, it has the spotlight on. This must be the police cessnacopter. And they're trying to get it to fly near the Captain Sully line too. It's not though, it's not low enough. Real close to me. It looks like they've slightly changed it into something else. Like it looks like it has tips like a small jet on the wings that face upward, and a pointed nose, and like a shark tail at the back. The vertical part, like a shark tail, like the like a wave, like that. I don't know what that is. What kind of cover up that is for the police cessnacopter. I was correct about the wings, and the tailpiece, and the nose. So maybe it's cover up for that plane now in general, saying that it's something else. Yesterday, they had the helicopter going around throwing sound all day for it, but it was still a Cessna yesterday. So it's doing pulses. It looks like it's wiggling its tail. I think he's shifting left-right too. He's heading out over Alicia Parkway. So his bid looked like kind of like a jet. They've done that with everything. They made those Cessnas look like the verbal description plane. They even had one recently look like an Osprey with the little Osprey propeller things. It's crazy.